What's up everyone, this is Andre from Localization Academy. We are back with another short video with the Localization Basics. In this one, I'm going to try to attempt to explain to you what are adjusted or weighted word counts and why we do them, okay? To understand this one, I suggest you go check out the video where I explain what is the analysis, because we're going to build on that. At the end of the analysis, the result of the analysis is that you get a word count log or analysis log, which tells you how many 100% matches there are, how many repetitions, how many fuzzy matches, how many no matches, and so on there are in your project files. Okay, I'm going to say that this is A, B, C, D. So these are different numbers, right? So at the end of the analysis, we get a bunch of numbers, but what is the actual real translation effort? We don't know about it because all these different categories, they require different effort, right? 100% matches, repetitions, they are pretty fast to translate or review, and it's definitely not the same way as translating no matches. So we apply certain discount. Let's say for 100% matches, we apply 10%, and we apply these discounts to all these categories so that in the end, we get just one final number, and we can easily work with this number. And this number, this is the adjusted weighted word count, and this basically represents what is the real translation effort of this, okay? So one number represents the translation effort, so it takes to translate this whole thing, distribute it into these different various categories, it takes the same time and same effort as if you were translating this amount of no matches. And that is the purpose of adjusted word counts.